All right, let's go. Constants extracted from a lookup table, asserting that those constants are correct. The lookup table those constants were extracted from. Disallowed. This was a backtick. Now we wrote the backtick like this. Disallowed. Lookup table for the layer to lateral multiplier x and y. A lookup table that takes the tile size exponent, converts it to a diagonal offset. And this is why we extracted those constants, so that we could recreate this table easily. Cosmetic. Removed. Tile size in discrete units, diagonal offset, lateral multiplier x and y, and these multipliers are to be used with this. Our back to front rendering, macro for the tile size in discrete units on the x and y. We're going to use these lookup tables right here to get these variables, and you'll notice that these three take a tile size exponent as denoted by here and here, tile size exponent. And these ones here take a layer denoted by LA3 here and LA3 here. So by a glance, you can tell it's correct. We refactor the name right here. So this is just all of the different tiles for all of the different tile size exponents in this loop here. And finally, we're getting the correct sample point. So this is the level pack, level, diagonal offset, lateral offset to the correct layer of data. Same thing with this, it's just the y-axis here. Finally, we need to offset to the correct tile within the layer of data, and that's this right here. And we're going to undef our macro when we're done with this loop here. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. You've been on this video. If you want more detail, you can go here. This has been video 177. Like and subscribe.